right. Happy Wednesday, team.
Happy Wednesday, guys.
Gabriel, hey, we're happy to see you back. I know you took a few weeks off there, enjoying that Tennessee weather, even though I think it's cold as hell, right?
Yeah, it's
Compared to Medellin,
47
no?
degrees. It was around 30 degrees a couple of days ago, but it's good. I'm here with family, and it's something I haven't been able to do in a while, spend time with family. So this Christmas, I have the opportunity to spend Christmas with family because I'm able to work from home. So that's the beauty of everything. Thank you
Hey,
for
man.
welcoming me back.
Hey, what's funny is that right before we jumped on here, my mom was on the phone blowing up my phone, right? It's about family, man. And it's that time of the year where, it's good to unplug, even though it's hard, because we all have responsibilities, work, pressures, but it's good to unplug and just take a break, especially in sales, man. I've been doing this a long time and it's just good to do it, a few times a year. Totally.
Hmm.
Boom. I'm thinking of
That's
going
right.
to like the beach, go to the beach, you know, go fish. That's you're up in that country too, huh? A lot of good fishing out where where your parents live, right?
Yeah, not
Right.
but we're from Mexico and Puerto Rico respectively, so we
Yeah.
got Cancun and we got Puerto Rico,
Yeah,
so we don't
that's
gotta
true.
look
Yeah, that's true. No, but
too
Tennessee's nice.
far.
Tennessee's nice. But we wanted to jump on here, guys, and talk to all of you about digital marketing. And myself, I've been involved in digital marketing since 2015, but heavily in the last 12 months, digital. And what I mean by that, zero paper and zero big, television advertisements, all social media, Facebook, YouTube, Google ads, landing
LinkedIn.
pages, websites. And just recently, we added ClickFunnels to our tool belt. All these tools that are designed to do what? Generate leads. But, over the course of the years, I have seen personally that it opens up the door for a customer to go on a landing page, and instead of just asking for the information and for an agent, for me and you to call them back, they can go in there and apply for insurance. Is it
Yeah,
perfect? No. But the thought of that and the possibilities of that are exponential when it's done right. Correct? And
Pe- people want things now. They don't want to wait to get a call back. They don't want to wait to speak with somebody. When they want it now.
Gabriel, agents ask, because I recommend the Insure Me Now direct link like yours, and they ask, if I feel that eventually, everyone's going to be online. And the crazy part is I don't have the answer because I'm not like the ultimate expert,
Hmm.
but why wouldn't it be something to really consider in the future? Maybe not today, but what if in the next 10 years, me and you, I'll be in my late 50s, I'm sure going to be online. How many of those people are going to be prone to buying online? Is the question.
Most. Yeah.
The rest are either going to want you to show up to their house, knock on their door. Hey, no problem. Others are okay to call them over the phone, do a Zoom. But I believe, and a big majority of people believe, that more and more people are going to buy insurance online, and insurance carriers are seeing the same thing. In fact, I'll share with everybody here Gabriel's landing page. And this is Gabriel's landing page, guys, with Insure Me Now Direct.
And it boils down
Look at
to
that.
convenience. You know, I know a small portion of people may want to still have that human element involved in the buying process, but at the end of the day, it's about convenience. People don't want to be inconvenienced, and people want things when they want it, in their time, not ours. So, there's only one Gabriel, there's only one Lauro, and this platform enables us to reach an unlimited amount of people at the same time.
It's you can't even measure this. When you are able to provide the right traffic to your website, Gabriel, how can compete against that, as you say, as a one person agent, right? Making the phone calls or seeing them face to face. If you've been able to provide them a platform like we provide our agents with an Insure Me Now direct link. And for all of you guys watching, check this out. Check out Gabriel's website up on the top there and go in there and check it out. And let's go ahead and check this out. Has a little description of what every product is, guaranteed issue. This is typically your final expense products, life insurance, disability. And you got a series of products that Gabriel's licensed to sell in 28 states, right, Gabriel?
Right.
Okay, so here, once they click to that, it takes them to a next page. Look at Gabriel's phone number, email information's up there. And we're going to go with what? Let's do what? Florida?
Florida, male, non-tobacco,
Okay,
zip
what
code
zip code?
32824,
Okay,
South Orlando.
bear with me. Let's do okay. Non-tobacco.
Yes, sir.
So, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. This is what a customer is going through, and now they get to pick between life insurance, accident, or guaranteed issue. We're doing final expense, so let's say they're doing guaranteed issue then. Guaranteed policy. Here we go. Gerber, guys. Gerber Life Insurance Company, a company that's been in business for probably 100 years, is it making this offer 25,000. And let's go ahead and get that quote. 25,000, ladies and gentlemen, with Gerber Life Insurance is $108.86. And if I want to apply, it takes me to a secure website that the carrier approved, obviously. Okay, lets you know that you're now on Gerber's website. And here we are. I mean, really? The question is, how are you going to draw traffic to your website? Now you can pay Google ads. That gets expensive if you don't have the right conversions, right? Just like buying leads. But a customer is able to fill out their application, as you see, submit their application, and within literally 24 hours, they have a policy in their email box from Gerber Life Insurance Company. That took approximately what, Gabriel? 5-10 minutes, if that, guys. So imagine
Right.
if someone's in their 50s, late 40s, like myself, looking for guaranteed issue insurance, and I'm just eager to buy insurance today, I'm probably going to buy this policy. the great thing is that not only are do customers buy insurance on this platform, but it also becomes a great lead capturing system for Gabriel. And obviously, Gabriel, you can work on, building a little bit more on your website here to describe a little bit more about yourself. It'll help out. But look at all this extra information that the customer is able to read, value, all at their fingertips. All within minutes of us starting our journey on this website.
Yeah. People don't want to get sold. They want to get educated. And that's exactly
Simple.
what this platform does. It educates the client.
Correct. So again, if it was easy, everyone would do it, right? Oh, you get a website and overnight you got 1,000 applications. No, you got to circulate this website. But eventually, websites like what we have with Insure Me Now Direct and other websites that I've seen on the market that are surfacing, they're going to capture people that are looking to buy insurance, whether it's life, guaranteed issue. I mean, how can you argue the fact that they won't, Gabriel? Correct? I mean, you can't, right?
Right.
So, as an agent, if you're a telephone agent, if you are a um, door knocking agent, why not add your own link? Nowadays, there's these digital cards. Phone sites has these digital cards. You can put your website on these digital cards. I mean, you give that website out to a bunch of people, eventually people start buying insurance. Just just because you're marketing to a bigger number of people. So
Yeah.
it's not about, how can I explain this? It's not about if a website will replace an agent. No. But I do know that 10 years ago, I would listen to other people talk about this type of technology one day. And here it is.
So
So
this wasn't available when you first started, Lauro?
it was not available in this manner, no. And here we are in 2022, and it is available in this manner. What do you think is going to happen in the next 5, 10 years? Again, I'm not saying that it will replace an agent. I'm just saying, how can you argue that it won't be something to consider? So, why not have this in order in your agency? Or if you're an agent, why not? It makes sense, especially in the world that we live in that is digital. And people aren't thinking about it as much if you think about it. Because if they understood how powerful this is, a lot more people would be eager to obtain themselves a website like this.
Yeah. Which is selling for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. There might be a small percentage of people that want to deal with an agent and speak to a representative, but a lot of people, speaking for me personally, when I want to make a purchase, I don't want to talk to the sales guy. I want to buy the product that I want to buy or buy the service that I want to buy on my own. I don't want to get sold. I want to buy it when I want it. And this allows those clients that are ready to buy, that don't want to deal with a sales agent. I was talking earlier about, for example, Carvana. A lot of people, when they buy a car, they don't want to deal with a used car salesman or a salesman, when buying a vehicle. And, websites, just to mention on the top of my head, Carvana, has allowed the marketplace to just make a purchase without dealing with a sales agent. And that's the future. Digital marketing is the future, quite honestly.
I believe in that. In fact, I bought a car from Carvana last year. Yeah, last year, and it was easy, man. So definitely the world is changing. And if you're watching this video again, I'm not here to say, oh, hey, forget calling leads, forget knocking on doors. It's all about automation, Google ads, websites. No, all I'm saying is, why not have it though as an extra tool? And that's what it is. And if in the future, like in your case, Gabriel, as you're marketing this website's unique to you. One thing you can do is maybe create a different domain, that's tied into your website, right? Eventually, or tie it into a couple other domains. But this is your website. Once you set up some realistic traffic to this website, I mean, it's unstoppable. A good way to do it is Google Ads, and obviously, you've seen how that works. You talking about it, like us getting on here and talking about it. This is organic because people then see it and they're going to go to it today because they see it.
Mm-hmm.
There's, you get my point. There's so many ways that you're currently doing, but the name of the game is, how do we get more traffic to this website, more targeted traffic, where people could be, um, looking to buy insurance. And honestly, for us, I'll give you guys a tip that we've used over the years, because we've tried different avenues and we've been, lucky to not been victims of too much of a loss. Because let me tell you what, in marketing, you will lose a lot of money in marketing costs. It is loss after loss after loss when it comes to marketing. But what we've discovered in, give me a second, in this time frame, is that an email strategy, where you have maybe a database of your current customers, right? Well, if you don't get into the habit of start building an email base of people, emails, text phones, so you can text them. Cell phones, I'm sorry. Cell phones, so you can text them. Emails, so you can email them what? This link. What we've seen is that it's a very inexpensive, approach, man. You get my point? To get this out there to the masses. If you do it, obviously, if you do it right, and the best way to do it is by building a database of emails that you handle, not buying them, you building them. Again, your customers or, referrals, that's fine. And start sending out this link. I think it would only do wonders for it. Maybe not today, but again, in the next 6 months, 8 months, 12 months, 2 years. Who knows, bro? We can be sitting here talking in 5 years and you're like, Lauro, finally, I saw 1,000 applications in one day.
Well, let's just make this point.
You imagine that? My goodness.
Everyone's willing to give you the email, but not everyone's willing to give you their credit card or banking coordinates. So, the email address, there's so much value in getting somebody's email address.
Think about it. We've done Google ads, lost a bunch of money. We've done, Instagram, Facebook. Again, it's not, if it was that easy, everybody would do it, right? Everybody. Oh, they get a website, slam it with ad money, and they're gonna win. And, well, it's not as easy as that, and that's been our experience. But that organic distribution, right? Where you're recommending it to somebody else, or you're sending it to your customer, or you're texting it to a client or a referral. And we implement this strategy ourselves, especially every single agent that has their own Insure Me Now direct link. Again, not to expect to make a bunch of money overnight, or we're encourage you to dump a bunch of money in ad spend. No. But why not consider this as a tool and prepare for the future? We're obviously, ahead of the game with this already. And that's why I feel so good that, people should reach out to Insure Me Now Direct, whether through us or directly through Carrie or Bill Levinson or Andrew Paris directly. Wouldn't you agree on that? I mean, everybody should have this. But if you're watching this
Yeah.
video, give us a call. We'll hook you up with some contracts to go with this carrier platform setup. And you'll be very surprised what happens over the course of the months and the years as this world just keeps on changing. And again, people are aging, and the people that are aging more tech savvy. Let's call it as it is. So again, I'm excited about this, Gabriel. Congratulations. Another thing that's great about platforms like this is that they also provide a lead capturing system. Okay. So if somebody doesn't, quite want to go through the process today, they'll be able to leave you their information, their phone number, their address, their email. And what are you going to do? You're going to do what you already do. Boom. Think of that.
Mm-hmm.
Or, if you're a door knocker, then you can swing by their house and knock on their door. The quality of the lead just went through the roof, because sometimes maybe they're holding back because they're insecure about one point or another, right? Makes sense. Phone call takes care of it. An email, that's where we're at. So this is a great lead capturing system, of people that you can definitely follow up on and sell them,
And
what they
and
want.
look how professional that website looks. If I
No,
were to
it's
go
a
on my
beautiful
own
website.
and want to build a website like this, it would probably cost me a few $1,000s, quite frankly. Where
Right.
with us, you guys will be able to access and get a website just like this
The
for
template.
yourselves.
Right. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody gets a template just like this. Exactly. All right. Well, I'm excited, and I hope this helped everybody that's watching this video. Um, at least expand your mind to this. Again, I'm not saying that this will replace an agent, but again, it's something to consider as a tool to implement. Give us a call, or you can call Insure Me Now Direct directly with Bill and Carrie. They'll be more than happy to help you. All right. Well, with that said, my good friend Gabriel, hey man, I'm happy to see you're back, ready for action, and I'm excited about 2023. I'm really excited about, you know, um, especially to see how this flourishes for you. Then one thing I would like to highlight is, as you go through next year, you'll be able to show everybody on your YouTube channel the analytics of the
Right.
applications that you're selling and what type of policies you're selling. I think would be very interesting to show everybody, as the months go by. I think it'll be cool.
Yeah.
All
The
right.
future is digital marketing is the future.
Again, it's definitely something that everybody should consider, and they should consider it now. It's never too late. But it's a great tool that I feel a lot of people are sleeping on, and it costs nothing or pennies to the dollar compared to some of the other types of media available out there that are just totally out of this world in terms of cost. So with that said, you guys have a great Wednesday afternoon and see you guys at the top. Thank you.
All right, peace out, guys. Thank you.